guys, my name is Bubblegum Slimes and today I will be making easy slime tutorial for beginners. Let's get started. First fill a bowl with warm water. Next, add a teaspoon of borax to the water. Mix the borax into the water until it dissolves. Put it to the side for later. Now put PVA glue into a bowl. Next, add shaving foam. The more shaving foam, the more fluffier. Then mix the glue and shaving foam together. Next, get the water and borax you mixed earlier and add it to the glue and shaving foam. Keep adding and mixing until it becomes like slime. Then take it out of the bowl. It might be sticky, so keep playing with it until it is not sticky anymore. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoyed it. Bye!